Maximum firepower.
Back her up, son. Silly sausage. The fuck are you doing?
And he's about 6'10". I'm guessing.
The fuck are you doing, you idiot?
Probably should have and definitely could have, but they didn't. And he was so impressive. He being Earthquake was so impressive upon his debut that
what a fucking prick.
I'm sitting there looking at him going,
Wow.
he needed an opponent.
What an absolute wanker.
Look at how slim and trim Timmy White is.
Yeah, by comparison. Come on. Hey, here's the write-up for your boy here. He says,
You fucking
8 minutes,
idiot.
32 seconds. Horrible match. Mabel held a long bear.
What a dick. I hope you become road rash. You're an idiot. Hey, seriously. I'm right here. I'm right here. You're an idiot. I'm right here. You can see where I was, yet you just had to come over. I'm right here. Heavens forbid you actually give way, traffic already in the lane, and wait for me to pass, and then change lanes when that's clear. I know you just want to... You're a fucking moron. Jesus Christ.
No, you can fuck off.
Yeah, get in, and I called Kevin first, and Kevin says, "Yep, Tyson lost." I said, "What? What do you mean Tyson lost?" Because he wasn't that big of a fight. People weren't really paying attention to him. I had almost forgot that Tyson was fighting that night because we had done our voiceovers ahead of time talking about another successful victory for Mike Tyson in Tokyo last night type shit. And so what do you mean he fucking lost? Because yeah, he fucking lost, man. So fuck. We did voiceovers. We are promoting on shows that we're going.
You see this complete and total fucking retard. The overtaking lane to my right was empty. And he's come flying down the left lane, cuts in front of me and almost takes my nose off. For what? He's sitting in the middle lane up there. What was the goddamn point of that? Now he's changed lane, no indicate. Oh, we indicate once we're basically up against the barrier. Well, this guy's an absolute genius.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Stopped in amazement, and their jaw was hanging out as they watched that, which I thought was absolutely hilarious. But Warrior and Hogan, because they were obviously the stars of the story around it, but Jake the Snake was another one that just kind of captivated you, brought you in. Everybody in there, yes, go back and watch the quick promos right before the Royal Rumble. Told the story and made you want to watch.
The fuck does this clown... Well, this is one hell of a situation. We've got two right turning lanes, and I've got a Mercedes that appears to have changed their mind and wants to somehow think they're going to go straight. This is going to be one fascinating... Where you going, dude? Wow. Wow. That's one of the dumbest fucking things I've ever seen.
It on his own at this time, and This was, you know, we all had our tweaks to it, just little additions, but man, hats off to Pat Patterson.
What a stroke.
His brainchild, you putting it together and making sure all the stories are told. But as you go through it, the things that stick out, DiBiase lasting as long as he did was positively.
What the hell was that?
A great job.
So that clown in that van come tearing ass down the ending lane to push in. What the fuck? Puts his indicator on and then suddenly decides, oh no, fuck it, I'm gonna go into the petrol station.
That they used to send out onto the ice to get in a fight with the other team and beat up their best player. Jim was a tough guy, but he was also a decent businessman. And Jim is the one that really helped initialize a lot of the international touring.
What the fuck is this taxi doing? Why is this taxi sitting in the overtaking lane? I'm doing 85 and in a 100 zone and I'm overtaking. What's he doing? Not much point using the windscreen.
Everything that was great about wrestling as a kid when I grew up, you saw it for the first time in a long time this week. You loved it too.
How is this guy doing?
I did. I truly loved it. Of course, to me, the two. Well,
so incident response means you can.
I was going to say the two.
An illegal U-turn.
Warrior and Hulk, where another was
Perfect in many, many ways. From a storytelling point of view, from a career timing point of view, from an execution perspective, on the biggest platform in the world, Wrestlemania. I mean, how can you get a better ending to a career than that? And then to pretend none of it ever happened in 17. I'm sure.
What a freaking idiot!
Let's keep it moving.
You donkey!
What have we got? I think it's a RAV4 up here. Is the culprit holding up the overtaking lane? Let's go see if we can have a chat to this young man or woman and ask them why they're a fucktard. So there you are. Curious to see, they've managed to put their foot down a little. And I was going to say, I wonder if they're going to move over. But no. Peep later. So they're actually speeding. It's high vis. Yeah, he's having a good old time. He's dancing along, sitting in the overtaking lane.
Degrees of views of the business and what they wanted to do and why they wanted to be in it. There were those that wanted to be in it and excel. I remember specifically like Michelle McCool, who
Fuck is that?
wanted to be in the business. She wanted to learn. She wanted to do whatever it took.
Shit
And
everywhere.
she was willing to bust her.
Tell me why. They don't have to know. It's called freedom. Constitution. Huh? You're in public, you can't.
You're welcome.